extension because it has been there for about 25 years. Sabi ng batas, okay na. Only if you adhere to journalistic. Ang ginawa ninyo sa amin, it's estafa, swindling, not only me, but si Escudero, pati si marami pa yan. Inutso ninyo, utang ina harapan magkolekta kayo tapos estafa ninyo kami. So, I will file a complaint. No long, Congress, no need to renew it. But to operate, there's something else. So I will point this out. Yung basura ninyo, then we'll see.
Wait, sir, just to clarify, you're going to block the renewal of franchise of ABS?
You're committing a crime.
So you're gonna block their...
Yes. Kung ganun ka na, you are engaged in swindling. But all you know, ilang kumpanya dito na nagbayad na hindi ninyo pinalabas. If you operate an ABS-CBN, tapos manluloko lang kayo ng tao, mag-swindling kayo, I have to stop you. Di ba? Eh kung manluloko ka, anong gawin ko?